Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a time when you met your old friend. You should say, who did you meet? Where was it? When did it happen? How did you feel?
Sure, I'd be happy to describe a time when I met an old friend. Last year, I met up with a friend from high school that I hadn't seen in over 10 years. We had lost touch after graduation and had been living in different parts of the country, but we reconnected on social media and decided to meet up when I was visiting my hometown. We met at a local coffee shop that we used to hang out at in high school. It felt a little surreal to be back there after all these years, and it brought back a lot of memories. We spent a few hours catching up on each other's lives and reminiscing about old times. I was surprised at how easy it was to reconnect with my friend. Even though we had been apart for so long, we were able to pick up where we left off as if no time had passed. It was great to hear about what he had been up to since we last saw each other and to share stories about our experiences over the years. I felt a lot of different emotions during our meeting. At first, I was a little nervous about seeing my friend again after so long. I wasn't sure what to expect or how things would go. However, as soon as we started talking, all of my nerves melted away and I felt a sense of comfort and familiarity. Overall, meeting up with my old friend was a wonderful experience. It reminded me of the importance of maintaining connections with people from our past and showed me that true friendships can stand the test of time. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning! Thank you very much.